chances, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like
Greenville Park students, it's going to be another great day. What? Hey!
Pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo soy lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos.
Today is Thursday, May 7th. The temperature today, 45 degrees Fahrenheit and 7 degrees Celsius.
Hi, geckos! Happy birthday to LeBron Brown in Miss Nivola's class. Hi, LeBron. And Jonathan Langworthy in Miss Fleetjack's class. Tomorrow's Accessor Day and will be our next building-wide meeting at 2:45 on Zoom. Thanks and bye, geckos!
The following is a stop-motion animation made by a 5th grade student. 3rd and 4th graders check Seesaw on Friday morning to learn how this is done. 5th graders turn yours in for art and media class by Monday.
Hi everyone, my name is Bob Hauk and I live right here in Northfield and I coach swimming and I teach at St. Olaf College. Also, I am an alumnus of Greenville Park Elementary School. In fact, I was even in the first class that entered Greenville Park School in, I think it was 1971. And so I have lots of fond memories, and in fact, we still even walk our dogs past there almost every day. Some of the things that I remember about Greenville Park Elementary School were the wonderful teachers. Inside the building, I remember the media center with the pit down in the middle of the library. We loved to go there for class discussions and film strips. I remember the cafeteria and those funny tables that came out of the wall, and the cafeteria was really orange. I don't know if it's still like that. I also remember the really neat hand washers right outside the bathrooms where you could step on it to make the water go, and we spent a lot of time doing that when I was at school there. And of course, the playground in back, and I know that playground is still there, and that was super fun to play at. So I really enjoyed my time at Greenville Park. I want to encourage you guys to continue to work hard this spring. I'm so sorry that everyone is at home but you're blessed to have wonderful teachers and a wonderful principal, and I hope you work hard and finish the year strong. Thanks.
Hi Geckos, it's Officer Bart. It's been a long time. Well, not coming back this year. I miss you. Actually, we all miss you here at Greenville. But next year we'll have that new school to go to. Stay safe and we'll see you next year.
How do you make the number 1 disappear? Add a G to the beginning and it's gone.
Mrs. Bulford, I think Mr. Richardson's probably done with the microphone. Should I box it up?
Yeah, I think you can go ahead and box it up.
All
We
right.
shouldn't need it anymore.
Thank you. Oh! Let's go.
Every gecko every day. Like when I close my eyes.